Question: which country has the highest number of trains? Options: A. China, B. India, C. USA, D. Russia. Great job. The correct answer is option B, India. India has one of the largest railway networks in the world. Question: which animal cannot make any sound? Options: A. Rabbit, B. Giraffe, C. Snake, D. Fish. Excellent. The correct answer is option B, giraffe. Giraffes have vocal cords but rarely produce sounds. Question: which country introduced the first ambulance service? Options: A. USA, B. UK, C. France, D. Germany. Super. The right answer is option C, France. The first ambulance service was launched in France in the 18th century. Question: which country was the first to discover diamonds? Options: A. India, B. Brazil, C. South Africa, D. Russia. Great job. The right answer is option A, India. India was historically the first place where diamonds were mined. Question: which gas is used in airplane tires? Options: A. Oxygen, B. Helium, C. Nitrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Excellent. The right answer is option C, nitrogen. Nitrogen prevents moisture buildup and maintains stable tire pressure. Question: which country gives the death penalty for killing elephants? Options: A. Thailand, B. India, C. Sri Lanka, D. Kenya. Good job. The correct answer is option D, Kenya. In Kenya, illegal elephant poaching can lead to capital punishment. Hello friends, where are you watching the video from? Please let us know in the comments. Question: which vegetable is called the queen of vegetables? Options: A. Tomato, B. Brinjal, C. Potato, D. Carrot. Great job. The right answer is option B, brinjal. It is called the queen of vegetables due to its versatility and health benefits. Question: which fruit contains all vitamins? Options: A. Banana, B. Mango, C. Avocado, D. Papaya. Excellent. The correct answer is option C, avocado. Avocado contains nearly all essential vitamins. Question: how many players are in a kabaddi team? Options: A. 5, B. 7, C. 9, D. 11. The right answer is option B, 7. Kabaddi teams have 7 players on the field. Question: at what age does human bones start weakening? Options: A. 20, B. 30, C. 40, D. 50. Excellent. The correct answer is option C, 40. Bone density starts reducing around age 40. Question: which country imposes a fine for not voting? Options: A. USA, B. Australia, C. Canada, D. France. Good job. The correct answer is option B, Australia. In Australia, voting is mandatory and non-voters can be fined. Question: which planet appears red at night? Options: A, Venus, B, Jupiter, C, Mars, D, Saturn. Wow! The right answer is option C, Mars. Mars appears red due to its iron-rich soil. Question: which animal has the highest protein content in its milk? Options: A, cow, B, camel, C, goat, D, buffalo. Great job. The correct answer is option D, buffalo. Buffalo milk contains more protein than cow's milk. Question: which country has chickens that lay blue eggs? Options: A, China, B, USA, C, Chile, D, Canada. Excellent. The correct answer is option C, Chile. The Araucana chicken in Chile lays blue eggs. How many questions did you answer? Let us know in the comments. And if you like the video, please share and subscribe.